If you are disconnected with nature, it probably means that you are disconnected with yourself. I never in a million years thought that I would be as connected with nature as I am today. I look forward to go to the park. I look forward to sit on the ground, be with the ducks, have my feet in the water. I look forward to that. I was never this person who used to enjoy these things as much as I do. And this was only possible for me after I confronted myself. I came to know who I am. I became courageous to face all my emotions. So if you feel disconnected in some ways with nature, I encourage you to ask yourself, how am I not connected with myself? Am I listening to myself?